This is the piece of hose that comes with that gun that I have, which, by the way, I've got a gun just like that, but this one has that hose fitting on it, and I'm looking at this hose and thinking, you know, I could take these two fittings and put an even longer hose if I wanted to, shove that way up in that frame, possibly, I don't know, maybe. Anyway, it's all circled, and it's cold out there, so it's hard to straighten this out. So I thought, well, I'll just bring it in and put it on this heater duct, heat it up, and then maybe I can get it to straighten out. That way, when I go to squirt it up in there, it'll be flexible enough, hopefully, so that I can get that up in that frame a goodly ways. So I'll just leave that set right there. Another thought I had, I've got a big pile of insulation down there, 2-inch insulation that I bought from a guy that sells secondhand. It's kind of like leftover insulation from a factory down there somewhere. And I was thinking, man, I could, because what I'm thinking of doing is, when I come back in May, bring that aluminum trailer with me and leave the Prius down there, and then drive the Jeep down after we get back in May, and drive the Prius back and leave the Jeep down there. But I could pile all that insulation. I was kind of saving that in case I decided to build a cabin down there or something. But I could pile a bunch of it on the back of the Jeep and bring it up here. This front side of this building is somewhat pretty well insulated, but I could bring back enough to insulate the back part of this building, and then I could get some heat going in here. One of the things I can do, and might do in the next day or two is close this door down. That front of the building is kind of insulated, and I get one of these propane tanks and get this little, I've got a little thing here, little propane burner thing, and I can put on that, and I could light that up and set it up in there, and could actually heat that end of the building up so that when I get ready to spray that, I can work up under there without freezing my tuchus off. But as I was thinking about that, I started thinking about, oh wait, I could also bring some of that insulation back and insulate this building. Wouldn't that be interesting? Something to think about. Something to think about. Sure is. Oh, I'm going to continue to think on those things. Sure am. Sure am. Yes, I am. Oh, the joy.